The PMC Premier.
Yeah.
It was released a couple of years ago. It's basically a PH40 that's smart. So you can change all the parameters on the screen. You can log into this screen on your phone and access it remotely. The most unique thing about this machine is the straightforward display and the flow meters. This machine is based on the PH40, so it has the same one common drive pump that all of our old classic PH40 machines do. What's special about it is these flow meters. They're self-calibrating and they're ultrasonic, so they have no wear parts. There's nothing inside to rebuild. We don't sell rebuild kits. There ain't nothing to rebuild there. So this machine is going to, it was made because people needed data recording, mostly for DOT and government work, to make sure that they're, they need the paperwork to say, this is what we sprayed. We can prove that we sprayed good foam in this wall. So this machine captures that data, and it does it via those flow meters. It's the basis by which we use the Mach 2, how we have two guns on one machine. It's regulated by flow meters. We don't have any kind of cartridges, or we don't have any check valves or anything like that. We have flow meters regulating flow to each gun, each side of the hose. We know exactly what's going where, and if something goes wrong, the machine's going to throw an error and make sure you don't spray bad foam. That's the entire idea behind this machine. The display is fairly straightforward. We've got heats up at the top, A heat, hose heat, B heat. We've got the pressure balance control, the motor, the pump control, totalizer, and countdown timer. Fairly straightforward. What's fun about this is, concerning the reports I was just talking about and the data, we actually have live readouts for what's going on. This is some of the graphs that you can generate on the reports that you can email to any email straight from the machine. So we've got temperature conditions, pressure conditions, and chemical conditions at your fingertips.
And as a contractor, when would I have to email that information?
As a contractor, it's a safety mechanism.
It's a safety
so
mechanism.
At the end of every job, you can hit email report.
Uh-huh.
You can save it by job number, batch number, lot number, whatever you want to do, whatever kind of details that you take, so that you can prove in your records, if you have a customer call you back 6 months down the road, you can say, oh, let me pull this job number up. Okay, this is exactly the foam that went through my machine. This is what's in your wall according to my records, and that you have that as a safety mechanism to prevent against any kind of craziness that can happen in the field.